Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix when you are trying to log in your account on the Snapchat. At the time you are facing this kind of error message on your screen. As you can see guys, in my screen same error. I also facing C14A service unavailable. So now let's see how to fix this irritating issue. So when you are facing this type of problem, so first you need to close the app and restart your phone one time. After restarting, first thing you need to check your internet connection. If the internet connection is not good, at that time you can 100% face this type of problem. In case your internet connection is good, so second main important thing is this guys, sometime the Snapchat server was down, so at that time you can also get this kind of problem errors on your app. So wait for few minutes. After waiting, try to log in your account once again. Hopefully it will fix your issue. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you need to update the app. To update the app, open the Play Store and search the Snapchat in the Google Play Store, and if the app update is available, go ahead, update the app. After updating, open the app and try to log in your account. It will log in. As you can see guys, now my issue was solved. Still, in case you're getting same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Now what you need to do, you need to open the phone settings like this. In the phone settings, find out apps. In the apps, scroll down and find out the Snapchat app. Open it like this, and here go to storage, clear the caches of the app, and then you need to clear the storage of the app. So remember one thing guys, if you are clearing the app data, it will log out your Snapchat account and reset your all settings of the Snapchat. So do it on your own risk. If the problem was not solving, you need to try this method, okay? And then click on force stop and then tap on OK. Close the settings and restart your phone one more time. After restarting, open the app and log in your account. It will logged in, okay? So these are the easy and simple solution to fix this issue. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.